afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2019 English Objective Past Question. Question number 45. Then to answer this question number 45, we have this instruction which says choose from the options lettered A to E the one that most appropriately complete each sentence. And this instruction is applicable to question number 41 to 70, and the statement here says the dog waged dash tea on sighting the man. The dog waged dash tea on sighting the man. Option A say eat, option B say eat, option C say eat, option D say eat, option E say eat with apostrophe. So the it with apostrophe in option E is in plural form. The plural form of the determinant it. Then the it in option D indicates possessive, that is, it is a possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun. That is the interpretation of then it apostrophe then s in option C is the same as option A, which simply means it is, which simply means it is. Then option B modify itself. So the subject of the sentence here is the dog. Then the wage is a verb. Then the tail belongs to the dog. So it means that the dog possesses the tail. So the dog waged its tail on sighting the man. So option D that indicate possession or indicate possessive pronoun, or that indicate that the tail that the dog waged in sighting the man belongs to the dog. So option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.